I punished the girls earlier because they peed inside the house. So I put them in their crate and I closed the gate. And a couple minutes ago, I opened the cage. And this is how Kira wanted to sleep. Oh my god, they're too funny. Hi, Luna.
Snowy day. Snowy day.